Okay, we don't have to tell you why.
You still tell me
no,
why.
I don't have
to. In the state of Ohio, you still tell me why I'm under arrest.
State of Ohio
and why you are
no.
arresting me.
On November 10th, 2024, officers responded to a gas station following a beer bottle assault at a nearby bar.
Fuck off me, bro! Stop.
So, the two causing issue walked around the corner. There was a taller black male, cream color hoodie. And then the guy that hit me with a beer bottle and another gentleman with a beer bottle walked around the corner wearing a black hoodie with headphone logo.
Okay, real quick so we can look for him. Do you want charges?
Do I? Yeah.
Hey, they're literally right around the
corner. So black hoodie.
If you walk through here, they're literally right around the corner.
Follow me. Here, follow me so you can point them out. That black hat. What was the description? The guy that hit you? Said black hoodie, black hat.
So he's wearing a black hoodie. He's got looks like a pair of headphones, like bluish. Some sort of black hat on, blue jeans.
I didn't see anybody when I pulled up.
So the tall black guy at the register right there.
Did he have black and white Jordans? Nikes?
I think so.
He's inside right now.
Okay, they're both at the
Yeah, he's inside right now.
Which one is it?
You alright though, bro? You're all good? Alright.
Do you have any injuries or anything?
He got hit on the head by a bottle. I mean,
with a Modelo bottle. I don't know if it broke.
You pull your hair over just to see
if it didn't break, you're lucky, dude. When it breaks, it
fucks
you
a
all
thick
up.
skull.
Those dudes are fucking
He hit me twice.
Did he say anything before?
Well, I pushed him because he broke a bottle over my friend's head, who I guess was starting shit with the taller gentleman.
They were only getting loud though. They weren't getting. It wasn't like a physical. I mean,
well, apparently he was being creepy to Ashley. And she didn't want nothing to do with him.
Circle K downtown.
That's why they kept standing outside.
So you guys didn't have follow me?
Yeah.
You want an ambulance to come check you out for anything? Make sure you're all set? Just to be safe? Or what are you feeling right now?
Oh man, that kind of sucks. I gotta work.
Obviously, we're more concerned about your health at the end of the day.
That's fair. Might probably be a good idea.
Okay.
Ambulance call.
Okay.
But no, I mean.
Here, can you come here real quick? Can you come here for a second? Oh man. Can you point them out which one to me?
The white gentleman.
The what?
Registered next to the chick in the white hoodie.
The one that hit you in the bottle?
Yep.
Is the tall guy with the tan?
The tall guy with the tan hoodie was fighting with another person.
Which one hit you in the head with the bottle?
The white guy.
Watch out. Jay!
Which white guy?
Tall one?
The one at the register.
Oh, the white guy in the black hoodie right here?
A victim-confirmed field identification established probable cause. The legal basis for the stop was sound. The execution was not. When the suspect asked why he was being detained, officers replied, they did not have to tell him why. That response is legally indefensible. Due process requires articulation of grounds for seizure. The refusal did not prevent resistance, it caused it.
Jay, get out of here, bro!
I'm so sorry.
Don't come out here and talk with me.
Nope.
That's not how that's working.
Yeah, that is.
Yeah, he's gotta come out and talk to us.
We're gonna talk with me.
No.
Okay.
You.
Who?
You.
Talk to this gentleman.
Why?
You can get on.
I'm drinking.
Why?
You'll be able to
I'm
talk
getting
to me.
water from the gas
You're
station.
gonna go talk with me.
Okay, well, I'm coming call.
No, you're staying right here.
What do you do? What do you do? This is
What's going on over at the bar?
Where?
What was going on over at the bar?
What bar?
The bar you were just at.
What bar?
Nate Wally's?
Tell me what you know.
Okay, ew. First of all, ew.
Okay, back up. He told you to back up in there, and then you're gonna follow it out here too. Back up.
No, he didn't tell me why.
Okay, we don't have to tell you why. You're a
Yes,
grown
you
ass.
do.
You're a grown ass adult. No, we don't.
You still tell me
No,
why.
I don't
In
have
the state
to.
of Ohio, you still tell me why I'm under
state of
arrest.
Ohio
And
doesn't
why
mean
you
no.
are arresting me. Yes, you do.
Are you arrested right now?
Why? I mean, what? I'm just.
Did you pay for that?
Yes, my
Yeah?
husband
Okay.
did. What happened?
We're hoping you can tell us.
I'm more than happy to tell you what the hell happened. I just.
So we responded to a call that there was
I
a married couple fighting or two people fighting, arguing.
Okay.
Okay, so we show up here. I kind of came up late, if I'm being honest with you, so getting pieces of it together. So somebody,
Like
yeah.
caller ID'd you guys as the people who were fighting.
Yes.
So we're doing
It wasn't.
Do nothing to me. Get the off me, bro.
Stop. Stop.
You're doing it. All right.
Stop. Hands behind your back.
Oh,
man.
okay. You're on camera.
That's fine.
Yep. Got my face in the concrete. I don't know what the I did, but you can't even talk to me like a civilized human being. Give me your name and badge number like you're supposed to. Go ahead.
Loosen your hands.
I'm not
Loosen your
doing-
hands up, man.
Shut the dude. Okay. Trust me, I've done this before. Y'all getting sued. Your ass,
Is
bro.
that your bird?
Yeah, slam my head in the concrete.
Nobody's slamming your head.
Yeah, you f***ing are. You're sitting my.
Okay, stand up.
Nope. It's expensive. That's broken. Can I hit that real quick? Nope. Put me in a car?
Nope.
Alright, that's cool. I got a belt, a wallet, a knife. Yeah. Where's my phone? Is it still recording? I want to pick this shit up. You got body cameras?
Yep.
Where's
Have
your
a
body
seat.
camera? You
Have
ain't
a
got a
seat.
body camera?
Literally right
Where's
there,
your body
bud.
camera? Ain't nobody got a. Alright,
He lives. We had complaints with him for them on.
I was gonna say, we've dealt with him before.
Braccio knows his name. Keith, I think.
We've dealt with them a whole bunch of times.
The resulting takedown is evaluated under Graham versus Connor, 1989. Force must be objectively reasonable relative to the threat and resistance presented. Officers themselves questioned the second takedown on camera, noting the subject had been, quote, reasonable before pulling away. That admission is a Section 1983 liability in written form, recorded on the department's own equipment. Danielle Kirkendall's charges, obstruction, and disorderly conduct require affirmative acts under Ohio Revised Code Sections 2921 and 2917. Pulling away and verbal protest do not clearly meet either statutory threshold. Under City of Houston versus Hill, 1987, profane verbal protest directed at officers is First Amendment protected speech. An officer directing profanity at a restrained suspect inverts that standard and introduces unnecessary civil exposure for the department.
Hey, affirmative.
Affirmative.
10-4, 4 Brent Mike Research. 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 10-4, 4
end up arresting her, so we need to search her.
Yep. Careful, he's amped up if you guys open it. Where's he at? Where's he at?
Does anybody tell dispatch that they're detained or cuffed at the moment?
I don't think anybody did. I don't think so.
Got her.
What?
I'm gonna give this back to the guy that got hit in the head with the bottle, so I don't forget it. Are you gonna be able to search her?
Yeah, that's fine. Just
okay.
hold
okay.
on. Well, just hold it.
Yeah, y'all hold. You got anything on you that's gonna stick us, focus, hurt us? No knives, no guns? Okay.
I'm not a fucking gangbanger. I'm good. I just... Please let me tell my kids that... Can I please text my cousin that he's gonna watch my kids tomorrow?
She's good.
Okay.
Can I please text my cousin that he's gonna watch the kids tomorrow?
Okay.
Please?
Well, give
not
us
right
a
now.
minute. Not at this moment.
All right, Danielle, take a seat for us. Watch your head when you sit down, okay? I'm gonna go find my dad.
Dad? Dad? Dad went that way.
Should we take this back to the gentleman that got hit?
Yep. Yep. Jacob. Here you go, boss.
Snatched her up. So she was getting
take her to the ground or anything?
No. She was reasonably compliant with everything. It just
You did? Me, Dalton.
Me. There's the fourth. I don't know who the fourth was.
Whoever took him to the ground that needs to use force. He just snatched her up. That
no, he doesn't
require.
She was just pulling away.
Yeah, she was pulling away, but as soon as I got wrist and all that, she gave it up.
He gave up multiple orders for ID, wouldn't do it.
How badly injured's the dude who got smashed?
I couldn't see anything, so there's no laceration, nothing like that I could tell.
So you gotta get transported?
I was letting him talk to fire, and then I was gonna go talk to him.
They look like they're about to pull
I was
up.
to say, I don't think he's getting transported.
So I'm gonna talk to him again.
He's gonna be in a regular assault then?
Yeah, regular assault and obstruction.
Who was thinking about
Sorry, DC.
Probably. I don't know what.
You good?
Yeah. My knees ate the pavement. Listen, I wanted to roll the opposite way because that dude and Dalton were going down fast, and I was not ending up under that.
I will go
What'd you guys
home and
get
I will
from
do
Dalton?
anything you guys ask. Please.
Do you need me or no? Okay.
So, meet me on the back of my car. Come over here, so your windows down. Have to.
I think we're gonna take off so we can hurry up and then go
I
up.
was gonna say, well, if they're talking, I'll stay by her.
Still going. He's calmed down a little bit, so we'll see.
We'll wait.
Keith.
What's his name?
Keith.
Eight cops. Must not have nothing to do around this place.
The Constitution was present at this scene. The question is who understood it. Officers receive a C legal predicate was present. Communication, proportionality, and professionalism failures were not minor. Keith Kirkendall receives a B-. Wright's assertion was appropriate. Physical resistance was not. Danielle Kirkendall receives a B+. Her charges are the most legally vulnerable in this entire case. 3 lessons specific to this encounter. First, a lawful stop undermined by silence becomes an unlawful one in court. Second, post-incident on-scene discussion is admissible. Every word after a use of force is part of the legal record. Third, for civilians, verbal protest is constitutionally protected. Physical resistance is a separate criminal offense. Know the line. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.